The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission (ZAC) has arrested two senior ZANU-PF officials from Hopley, believed to be close allies of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's political network, over a massive land scam involving 1.5 million US. Sarabina mashoko buda panguva ino chinoka kunzi maedzi emutungamiriri wenyika vanoonekwa kunzi vakanga vari close very close kune mutungamiriri wenyika panguva inoarrestiwa. Ndoigwa subscribe wala yakati on the bell yakuti ibira unawo zero modo kwa mchinzi Phineas Muchichwa 41, the ZANU-PF chairperson of the Godfrey Chijgausiku district, and Anderson Friendson 37, the party's branch chief of security for the Josiah Magama branch, were named for alleged defrauding desperate home seekers through the illegal sale of residential stands. ZAC spokesperson Simiso Mlevu confirmed the arrest, saying the two alleged subdivided stand 34 in Tariro Township, Hopley, a 9.3473-hectare piece of land owned by Sunshine Development Private Limited, into more than 200 residential stands, which they sold for $300 each without the owner's consent. The pair reportedly preyed on fellow party members and other residents desperate for housing in a Harare high-density suburb, cashing in on the ongoing urban land crisis. They sold privately owned land without authority, prejudicing Sunshine Developments of approximately 1.5 million, said Mulevu. Muchichwa and Friendson are expected to appear in court on October 6, 2025, facing charges of fraud. The arrests come amid growing public frustration over rampant land scams across the country, many of which have been linked to the politically connected land barons and ruling party officials, despite repeated government pronouncements to curb such corruption. Illegal land sales have continued to flourish, particularly in urban areas. Ndomashoko ari kuda panguva ino chinoka kunzi aiwa kune zvimwe zvigananda zvasungwa zvatengesa aiwa land yemunhu. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.